and welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. This is just a quick video today to show you a little haul of silicone moulds that I've got hold of that I'm going to be using in some projects in the future. And I just thought I'd share with you these silicone moulds because I find it really interesting, and I'm sure other people that do resin who watch my channel will also find it interesting to be able to see what I've got. So here we go. So first of all, I've got these little cubes that are made out of silicone moulds, and they're like little Russian dolls. So I've got the tiny one, the next size up, the next size up, and the next size up. I'm really pleased with these because I've got a special project in mind to use these, where actually the one project will consist of all of these little cubes, so watch out for that one. And when I use them, I will be putting the links in the description to where I get the molds from. The next one is this little, I love this, the little paw prints and the little bones. And I've got, unfortunately, it's quite sad, I've got some ashes that I need to put in from a family pet that someone's asked me to do, and I'm going to do them into each one of these and then make it into a little this will be a key ring, these will be for whatever they want to use them for, and also the little paw will probably be a charm of some sort. And then I've got this one, which is showing some hearts, some bows, and just really some fun little shapes, the crowns. I want to use this one because I'm going to make some shaker cards, and I think they'll be really nice little resin things to put in a shaker card, or anything else that you want to use them for. Now this one I absolutely love. I really do like my steampunk designs, and I have got what I'm really looking forward to, a project planned to use these steampunks items. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast this whole thing like this, so each one of these is in perhaps a different color or something that is suitable for doing. So these will be gold because they're little keys. The cogs, some will be black, some will be gold, some will be bronze, and then I'm going to incorporate them into a steampunk themed project I've got planned, so look out for that. And I've also got one that makes little seashells and little starfish, because I've also got a seascape planned, and I want to make the embellishments first using that silicone mold. And then my final one that I'm really looking forward to is this clock face. I think this is really going to make a great clock that I've got the workings for already, and I've got a project that I'm going to make this clock for. And actually, the first one I'm making for myself, because I need a clock in my studio, because if not I do get carried away. And so I'm going to make one for myself, and then I'm going to look at making a few more as gifts for people. Well, as that, I got some practical things as well. I got some silicone measuring jugs. As you know, I love the silicone measuring jugs, and I've done a video on how easy it is to clean these out. That's not one of the new ones. They're great. They're so useful, and it came with these little 3 tiny ones as well, which are deep enough, I find, to use quite often, and I do use them quite often. I've got quite a few of those as well. So if you want to know how to clean these out, then take a look at the video above. The great thing about these is they are reusable time after time. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this haul as much as I did, and I hope you're going to enjoy the projects that I'm going to make with these. So please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss out on these future projects. Keep crafting and enjoy your craft. Bye.